Hi, I'm Norman from Get Set Up. Most of us know the value of exercise. We've heard it all through our lives, but for various reasons, we don't always do our share of it. But now there's something you can do that is going to improve your balance, possibly reduce pain, sharpen your mind, help your heart health, possibly improve your mood, and reduce stress. And that exercise is called Tai Chi. I started doing it online some months ago, and I found it to be a really nice way to relax and to experience some gentle movement, which is very easy for anyone to do. You don't need a lot of training, and it's something that anyone, whatever age, can do relatively easily, and you can adapt it to your level. Join us for our Tai Chi class and learn about why it's so popular and why it might be something that would be good for you as well. Hope to see you in class. Thank you.